I will repeat myself. Yesterday, we wrote about the factors that are needed for us to achieve our passion, right? हमें एक passion achieve करना है. We love to do that. हम बड़े हो जाएंगे तो we want to do that, right? Yesterday, you wrote down what all you are going to do to achieve that, correct? Today, what you're going to do, you fold the page in equal halves. On the left hand side, you number and write all those things, that entire list that you wrote yesterday, उसको number करके एक एक करके लिखते जाओ. उसी पेज के राइट हैंड साइड में तुम लिखोगे कि मुझे कब तक वो चीज अचीव करना है. By when do I expect to achieve that? Which means it could be tomorrow, it could be day after, it can be 5 years later, it can be 8 years later. It's all in your hands when you want to achieve something. Okay, so you put a date to where you want to achieve what you have written. Chalo, start. Yes, Subhan?
Ma'am, I have done writing this all. May I send the photo?
You have put the dates also? Are you sure there's nothing more you want to add to it? That's about it?
Yes.
और कुछ नहीं है?
I am adding some. I have added some title.
My dear, listen. It is your plan, your achievement plan. Please take time. ऐसा कोई रेस नहीं है कि अभी 5 मिनट में खत्म करना है. Take time and take your own sweet time to write it. Put sensible dates to it. Probably you may not be able to achieve something tomorrow itself, but you can do it in another 8 days or 15 days, or maybe something that you like you want to do chef, so maybe you want to learn to make biryani. You're going to practice it 15-20 times, so maybe by 17th of October your achievement date will say, yes, by 17th October I would have learned to make biryani, or I'm just giving you an idea, something like that. Make a list, make a plan, have achievement thoughts, and then look to work towards that. और ये जो बनाओगे ना, I will teach you how to make it and put it right in front of you, so it reminds you every day if you are on track or no. Take your time. हमारे पास ये पूरा lecture है. अगर इस lecture के अंदर खत्म नहीं होता है, you can take the next lecture also to do it, or you can do it at home as well. The objective is very clear. You should know what you want to achieve. You should know what all you need to do to achieve what you want to achieve. You should know by when you want to achieve it. Papa, mummy cannot help you with those thoughts. अगर तुम में पैशन है, तुम में वो सोच है कि मुझे ये बनना है, तो तुमको वो बनने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा ये तुम ही सोच सकते हो. Don't depend on parents for that. You make a plan and show it to them. Tell them, I would like to sit and discuss this with you. Help me achieve it till here. मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ, इसमें थोड़ा सा तुम्हारा मदद लगेगा. Go about it like that. Take your time. We have another 15 minutes. I don't want anybody to tell before 15 minutes. हाँ मेरा प्लान हो गया, मेरा अगले 10 साल का प्लान हो गया. 10 साल का प्लान 5 मिनट में कैसे कर सकते हैं? Take your time. Pranav, you want to be a businessman, was what you said yesterday. But 2 days ago, you also said you want to be a civil engineer. Maybe you can be a civil engineer who has his own company. So that way, you are having your own company. That's what your father was trying to tell you. And you can still be a civil engineer. So think about all those options. Think about all the options. एक life मिलता है हमको. जो भी करना है, achievement सब इसी में करना है. Think. And एकदम अच्छा चीजें लिखो. After you submit it to me, I am going to start working on it further. क्योंकि मैं बार-बार तुम लोगों को इस बारे में याद दिलाती रहूंगी. याद है ना? Are you sure you are on the right track? Are you sure you're doing everything to achieve this? मैं तुमको याद दिलाती रहूंगी.
Ma'am, we want to divide page ना.
अगं बाई कुठे होतीस तू? अजून डिवाइड पेज मध्येच आहे. वेअर वर यू? डिवाइड पेज बोलते
Ma'am.
15 मिनिट हो गया. Yes, tell me.
Then I'm done.
Really? Really? You're done writing dates for your 10-year planner? Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, we can write that same date.
Same day. Matlab, I didn't understand.
Ma'am, that reading books I have written in year 2026 year, then I can write it double same at knowing the medicines and that same.
So you mean to say all of those things you will achieve only by 2026? उसके पहले कुछ नहीं? So अभी 2026 में उसको achieve करने के लिए what do you have to do now? Suddenly on that date of 2026 you won't be able to do all those things, no? There will be a few things that you have to do this year, next year, year after that, all those things. तो वो सब लिखना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो फिर तो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि अच्छा ठीक है, I want to do my PhD. In 4 years I'll do my PhD. So 2024 will be all my achievements. Study for PhD, study for the resource material, study for the thesis. Everything on that day only I will do. ऐसा नहीं है. अगले 6 महीने में मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा, उसके 6 महीने बाद कुछ करना पड़ेगा. 6 months after that again I have to do something. So everything cannot be one day. Wait, Ranveer, wait. I'm talking to Tanishka. Wait your turn.
Ma'am, then I can write next year.
I want you to put dates. I want you to put dates. Next year, second year, third year. नहीं, that's very, very vague. एक year में 365 days है. 365 days में तुम कभी भी वो काम करोगी क्या? नहीं ना? So look to put achievement dates कि मैं इस डेट तक इस चीज को पढ़ के खत्म करने वाली हूँ ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप ले पाऊँ. Yes, Ranveer, your mic is open.
Ma'am, I'm done with the planner and I wrote the date. I wrote till from 2020 to 2024. Like more 4 years, I'll be in F1.
So suddenly in the 4th year you will be in F1.
No, ma'am. Like I have written the things which I have to do. Then I've planned the year also. In more 4 years, I can go in F1. I can, okay? If I want to, I can. If I don't want to, I can't.
So what is it that you want to do? Why are you writing this planner? If you don't want to, you won't. So then why are you writing this planner?
No, I want to. That's why.
Okay.
I want to. That's why I'm writing the plan.
So put achievable dates. What are you going to do for that in the next 1 week, in the next 10 days, in the next 6 months?
I wrote everything, man.
I'm sure you can add a lot more to it. I think you have to add a lot more of nitty-gritties to it. Yes, Subhan? Subhan, I'm opening your mic. Your screen is frozen, Subhan. Subbi. Pranav, are you fine? Continuing? Good, good, good. Continue, continue. Yes, Subhan, open your mic. Wait, Vihan, I'll just finish with Subhan and come to you. Okay, Subhan, your network is frozen. I'm going to go. Oh, wait. Repeat yourself. I didn't hear you.
I have sent my this whole date and achievement on WhatsApp group.
You already sent?
I have
तुम्हारा
added
जो भी
WhatsApp.
प्लान है वो सब बस उतना ही है जितना तुमने अभी भेजा है?
Yes.
So, where are your dates? I can't see dates.
I'm seeing on right hand side, read that first 3 small lines. After that, I have written date.
You have sent me only one picture, right?
No.
Then?
Yes, one picture of left hand side and right hand side.
Yeah, I'll be achieving the honor to be chef on date 4/7/30 2030 in 10 years. But 10 years के पहले तुम क्या करोगे? इस आने वाले 10 years में क्या करोगे? अचानक से उस डेट को तुम्हें वो मिल जाएगा?
No, ma'am, but I have written on left hand side what I have to do in this time.
No, on the left hand side you've written, I'll be achieving this honor to be a chef, and you've written the date that you've written on the left hand side. On the right hand side you've written the 1 2 3 4. जबकि मैंने तुमको उल्टा करने को बोला था. मैंने बोला था लेफ्ट साइड में तुम्हारे पूरे फैक्टर्स लिखो और राइट साइड में अचीवमेंट्स लिखो. तुमने उल्टा लिख दिया, but never mind. But no, Subhan, this is not what I'm expecting, and this is not going to really help you be on track. This is not looking to help you be on track. You have to write कि I need to practice. What are you going to practice? When are you going to practice? By when will you say that your practice is over? I'll come to you, Ranveer. Those dates you have to write. So like Tanishka just said, no, 2026 May I will achieve this. Can I write the same date for everything? No, you can't write the same date for everything. But because each day तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, only then you will reach that place, no? For example, now you have to get to 10th standard. We all know that by 2024 you all will be in 10th standard, correct? So if I have to say 10th standard तक जाने के लिए तुम्हें क्या करना है? You will say, okay, in 2024 I will reach 10th standard. But everybody knows that in 2024 you'll reach 10th standard. But you have to also write, Ranveer, I'm talking. If you're going to talk in between, I can't hear you anyways. You have to write that in this year, I will clear grade 6. For clearing grade 6, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this year, I will clear grade 7. To clear grade 7, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this year, I will clear grade 8. To clear grade 8, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you will build up to the final year. फाइनल ईयर का खाली डेट लिख के हाँ मैं 10th लिख दूंगा इस साल में, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते हैं. बीच में का जो रास्ता है उसको कौन कवर करेगा? उसका कौन अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेगा? Wait, I have to listen to Vihan. Vihan had to say something. Wait, Pranav, I'll come to you. Yes, Vihan, your mic is open.
What will happen if I score 100 as a debut?
You score 100 out of 100, what will happen?
Then I will make a big score, for example, 198 for 2.
Oh, you're talking about your cricket score. Oh, sorry. I'm only thinking about marks. Yes, but how are you going to achieve that? That you have to write, Vihan. You have to write
Yeah.
how you are going to achieve it. You can't just suddenly stand on the crease and say, हाँ 198 out of 198 मेरा score हो गया. ऐसे नहीं होता है. Who will allow you to go on the crease to play that score?
Opponent team have to chase 199 of 120.
How are you going to do that, Vihan? That's what you have to write. How are you going to achieve that? That's what I want you to write.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go to Pranav now. Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, means we have to write this like this. On 15/9 2020 I will do this. 16/09 2020 I will do next thing, ma'am. We have to write like that.
Yes, you have to
What
write like
day?
that. You might not have to write it date by date कि इस हफ्ते इस महीने में अभी और 10 दिन बचा है, हर 10 दिन को मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, वो बापरे बाद में माइक्रो डिटेलिंग में वो आएगा. बट अभी के लिए यू हैव टू गिव एन ओवरऑल प्लान कि इस साल में क्या करूंगा, अगले 6 महीने में क्या करूंगा, इस डेट तक मुझे क्या अचीव करना है. या फिर कोई बुक होगा इंजीनियरिंग का, मैं उस बुक को खरीदने वाला हूँ और इस बुक को मैं पढ़ूंगा, इस बुक को मैं पढ़ के अगले 6 महीने में खत्म करूंगा. सो व्हाट, देयर इज एग्जाम्स ऑफ ग्रेड 6 एंड दैट, लेकिन मैं 6 महीने में इस बुक को खत्म करूंगा. दोज आर द प्लान्स यू हैव टू मेक. यस रणवीर, यू वांट टू से समथिंग.
Ma'am, I wanted to, I have sent the picture in that there is one important sentence I have written. I will do everything every day.
You will do everything every day. Now, if you're going to do the same things every day, that's going to get you to reach F1.
Yes, ma'am, but whatever I've written on the list, those are things are sensible to get me there.
Baby, I'm not saying anything is nonsensible, not at all. That's not what I even meant. Nahi. Everything that you write is extremely sensible and it's very, very important to you. I'm only trying to help you understand how to make that planner. You can't simply write some date and say, okay, on that day, everything will be achieved. No, you have to say what I'm going to do each day so I can achieve there, or maybe each week, or maybe in the next 6 months. Because each of that will be different. Every 6 months, you can't keep doing the same things and then suddenly achieve your 10th grade. अगर हर 6 महीने में तुम 6th grade का ही पढ़ाई करोगे तो तुम 6th grade में ही रहोगे, तुम next grade में नहीं जाओगे. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, ma'am, but whatever I've written over there, no, that can get me ahead.
Okay, so what
That
you
can
also
take
need
me
to
ahead.
write is that you might want to read books about these people. You might want to understand about these people to see how they have achieved your idols. Okay, you might want to see the journey that Raikkonen took throughout his 20 years of F1 career to reach where he is today. What are the things he did when he was your age is what you might want to read. Then you also want to know what are the fitness routine that Hamilton, Ocon and Albon, all of these people have. And you want to inculcate that into your routine. You might also want to have a plan that in the next 1 year, I want to get this title. I want to become the national champion. So I get to speak. मतलब कोई भी यूं ही किसी भी बच्चे से क्यों बात करेगा? Once you have achieved something, you can prove to people that yes, I have done this. Then you want to make a call to someone and say, listen, Mr. or Mrs. So-and-so, I have achieved this. I want to do the next level and I want to come and meet up with you to understand how to go to the next level. Maybe you want to meet Narayan Karthikeyan. Once you're a national champion this year, and then you tell Narayan Karthikeyan what was your journey from becoming a national champion to a Formula 1 racer. Then you learn from him. Those are the kind of things that you want to put into it. For example, Subhan has written very nicely over here, you know, I want to become famous. It's very nice. It's very easy to say, but there are loads of things that are going to be done to get famous. See, he's already aware of, he's nodding his head like this, like, It's not going to be easy. He might have to meet कोई शेफ
Many
बताओ यार,
chefs.
एकदम से मुझे मुंह में शेफ्स के नाम याद नहीं आ रहे हैं. Indian chef, that guy who has a very big thing in US as well, वो channels में भी आता है.
Gordon Ramsay.
No, Gordon
Soup Weaver.
Ramsay. I'm talking about Indian chefs. Vivek, Vikram.
Weaver.
Vikram, somebody is there, no?
No. Ma'am, Soup Weaver. SHUBVIVAV.
शुभ विवाह. ये एक शेफ का नाम है कि उसके सीरियल का नाम है?
शेफ
विवाह
का नाम है, उसके
नहीं।
सीरियल
नहीं, शुभ विवाह सीरियल का नाम है. उसमें बहुत सारे शेफ आके अपने अपने चीजें दिखाते हैं. सुभान, शुभ विवाह इज द नेम ऑफ द सीरियल. उसमें शेफ रणवीर ब्रार भी आया है, एक और शेफ है अजय चोपड़ा, वो भी आया है. बहुत सारे शेफ्स आए हैं उसमें. ओके, सो शुभ विवाह
पंकज शर्मा.
शुभ विवाह इज अ सीरियल. उसके एपिसोड्स में अलग अलग शेफ्स आके अलग अलग चीजें बताते हैं. देन देयर इज दिस फीमेल, नो, इन व्हाट इज हर नेम?
पंकज शर्मा. पंकज शर्मा.
What?
पंकज शर्मा.
पंकज शर्मा.
पंकज शर्मा.
See, you have to have the plan कि मैं ये डिश बना के I have to Google to find out with my parents' help कि पंकज शर्मा रहती कहाँ पे है और उसके घर का एड्रेस क्या है. I want to write a letter to her saying कि मैम, I have planned a new recipe. I want to discuss this recipe with you. मैंने रेसिपी घर में बनाया था और ये बहुत अच्छा बना था. मैंने आपसे इंस्पायर होके ये रेसिपी बनाया था. तो क्या मैं ये रेसिपी आपको आके बना के दिखा सकता हूँ? Can I do it for you on a Zoom call? These are the plans you have to make. You know, अगले 6 months में I'm going to come up with a nice recipe जो मैंने अपने से प्लान किया है, and I want to share it with a chef. These are the things that will make you famous, Subhan. These are the things that will take you onto the journey that you want to achieve. These are the things that you have to write कि अगले 3 महीने में मुझे ये काम करना है, अगले 6 महीने में मुझे अगला ये वाला काम करना है. In the next 10 months, I should have met at least 3 chefs in the next 10 months. In the next 1 year, which is going to be 17, 10, 20, 20, मैंने कम से कम 4 नया डिश बना के 4 शेफ से तो मैं मिला हूं अब तक. ये तुम्हारा प्लान होना चाहिए. तब यू आर वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स योर फोकस. समझ में आ रहा है बात? Yes, Pranav, you want to say something?
Mama, I have sent the photo.
Okay, I will see it. I will see it. I want you all to rethink what I said, children. I want you all to rethink what I said. मैंने जो अभी बोला है कि अगले 3 महीने में तुम क्या करोगे, अगले 6 महीने में क्या करोगे, कौन सा बुक पढ़ोगे, किस तुम्हारे लाइन में जो फेमस पर्सनालिटी है या कोई अचीवर है, कैसे उससे मिल सकते हो, उससे मिलने का कुछ प्लान बनाओ, उससे जाके इंटरव्यू कराओ, या फिर हैव अ जूम कॉल विद दैट पर्सन एंड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन एंड से दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस फॉर मी. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग व्हाट यू वांट टू बी. डूइंग द सेम थिंग एवरी डे इज लाइक आज क्लास खत्म हो गया, चलो होमवर्क खत्म करते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं, खेलने जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट यू गोइंग टू डू एवरी डे. उसमें कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल अचीवमेंट नहीं है. ओके, चलो, ऑन दैट नोट लेट्स टेक अ 5 minute break. स्नैक टाइम है, लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक. आई विल कम बैक लेटर.